ubizwa Maphuzi. Nobaba uNyathi sagcina ne-college yesibayeni somadoda eMadadeni. Bese ngibingelela-ke abahlonishwa bonke abakhona and business people, ama-officials e-foundation ehlele lo mcimbi. Igama lami uZwelakhe, igama eliZwelakhe means landlord. So that's why I'm responsible for land in Parliament. The Portfolio Committee on Land, Rural Development and Agriculture, and it took me 25 years to go to Parliament. And I took a decision not to join government 25 years ago, because as I finished my exam, I picked up a loophole in our democracy in 1994 as a public management graduate. We have an issue of land, Ikalanga 1913, Abu 19th June. That's the same year Wabu Kotama Isiga Utinozul, 1913, around October. That is the day we pass on of land dispossession. The dispossession is from their prime land, which is the towns and cities of South Africa. Since that day till today, now, so it means we have an issue of law that we are using, which is a Roman Dutch and British law, which led to the dispossession. Come 94, we said we are democratic, but we are democratic in poverty. And then, you minority in economy. That is a paradox of a South African situation. I said I came to this 7th administration to bring an end to the issue of land. It's going to be solved. Not because I'm starting, it's already done. I'm bringing reports to announce to the country who are the landlords of the towns and cities we are sitting on. Their descendants are among us. And that report, Aliki Doroba Elingenasbomo Senkosi Etis, that is attached to. Lapenyukazela, Awo Bangazit. Elutrek, Awiskotos Galangan Alem. Sia Emnamiti, Omchesi, Amashubi, Omche Richards Bay. Oba Namsanjua in charge of Richards Bay are outsiders, yet Ubamtetu. Embangi. Why I'm sharing these things? In Cape Town, the city of Cape Town, right at the center, Waktui District 6, the natives of Behlabikon. In economics, because we're talking to business people, yeah, I studied economics, I'm a better more stupid. And I say, so that's what. There are 4 factors of production in economics: land, buildings, owners, equity, and labor. Black people are 92% in terms of majority. We are responsible for providing labor only in the economic equation. That is very wrong. Then, best said, our constitution, the lawmaker advocate, there's a misnomer in the constitution. We study constitution. ET is a text 80 protection of the property of the minority. To a learned legal mind, something is wrong with that sentence. In a dispensation of majority, you are protecting a minority to preserve a property. As he goes with the property school, he later took on 1930. Yatato by majority. Mind you, on 96, on the 8th of May, you are saying that property must be protected against a majority, by a minority. It's not true. So, why I'm sharing these things? In Parliament, my first opening statement, I said, Governor, I understand you don't have money. And the reason why you don't have money, Oppenheimer and Rupert are making money and are controlling South African economy. Not today. 70 years ago, they've been doing that. With that report, May 6th of September 1966, uFerrovolt was the Prime Minister at that time. Washona eParliament ebulaweni ukuthi wayezo-reporta ukuthi sizochaza umnotho according to racial groups eSouth Africa. Bambulala ukuthi angayifunda, ayikazi ifundwe kuze kube namhlanje. Sizoyifunda-ke kule Parliament. What was the content of that report? That report was saying yayithi abamnyama bazothola nayo ingxenye yomnotho, abamhlophe batholele, amandiya namakhaladi bonke babe represented in the economy. Ayikazi ifunda. Sizoyifunda. Why I'm reading it? Amakhosi wona claim umhlaba ngo-94. Kusho ukuthi lo mhlaba osherwa amabhange bedayisela abantu, surely umhlaba wenkosi ethize abadayisa ngawo. Two, property associations are selling property to clients, which is the land that belongs to the king. It is all in the report. It is gazetted, by the way. Government Gazette, it's a government publication of government decisions. By the way, do you know Pretoria belongs to Amandebele? Right where the president is sitting in his office. Leanda union buildings, amatuna, amakosa Amandebele. Basuso, wakandela. Nizamukuchi, ngaloko. Business angeke likhule when you don't have these four factors. Led. The reason why is a dolobeni. It was forced removal Act of 1955, which removed blacks from the town to go and stay outside the city. Then you must travel to come to the city. And they've been doing that for over 113 years. And it's not changing. We need to then Africanize the law we are using. What do I mean by that? In the law we're using has become the language of business. So, this is law. Ususela from the source of the law. But let's check the source of this law. Roman, Dutch, British law. Where is that? Foreign land in a foreign country. Umthetho usebenziwe kwelinye izwe usebenziwe kwesinye isizinda. Okay, hambe eBritain upractice isiZulu ubone ukuthi bazokuvumela yini. The reason is because they are British, you are African. But why British laws and Roman laws and Dutch laws are applying in Africa, but African laws are not applying in Europe and America? Why? And you don't ask that question. I don't know why. Just because we are learned, the language that you find in business is decoded based on the law. Which law are you using? We are restoring that. And if the parliament does not agree, we'll call a media conference and announce every time. Give you title deeds. Here's the title deed and new parcel. I have it. And we know who are supposed to be the landlords here. In this is what we call demographic parity. So let's look at percentage. 92 people, 92% are blacks. So you give them a ratio equitable to their majority number in percentage. You can't, okay, do you know 118? Sathathelwa umhlaba sasala 13%. So 92% of people are sharing 13% of land in South Africa till today. Then you have those who are 8%, which is minority, they are sharing 87% of land. No wonder we're not in the mainstream economy, because we just missed it on the economics side of things. Let's change that. We are doing it, and therefore that count me in the next 5 years if I would have not announced these things. I'm telling you, because thank you.